Hey everyone, how you all are doing? I hope you all are doing awesome. Welcome to Let's Grow Together. Hey, since the last 1 year, I'm on the journey of learning English. And yes, I have seen a lot of improvements in myself in that 1 year. So it's in basic understanding, right? Without vocabulary, we can't speak any language. We will not be able to make any sentence, right? But what if we don't have a time to learn vocabulary or we just don't want to do it, but we still want to learn a language? So is that even possible? Let's talk about it in today's video. So yes, it is possible. It is possible. With just a little bit of effort, we can collect many vocabulary. See, now you are watching this video, right? So that means you are in social media. You are watching videos. So you do have your smartphone, right? I don't think there is even a single day that we do spend without our smartphone, without using social media. We do consume multiple content in a day. So whenever we do consume contents, we do find many new words and sentences. We come across many new words and vocabularies, right? So what I want you to do is, whenever you get something new, it may be new word or sentence or vocabulary, anything, just pick it and know the meaning of it from Google. I want you to pick that word and Google it and know the meaning of it and try to use it practically. Like, let's say you have no idea about the word food, all right, and you search it on Google, and then now you know the meaning of food. So you can make an example with it. You can make a sentence with it, like food. It's an basic needs for a human being, right? And yes, we can't survive without food, like that. Whenever you speak with someone, whenever you speak with your friend or another learner, try to use it practically. That's the easiest way to remember vocabulary. And also you can note it down. Take your pen and paper and note it down. But I know you don't want to do it, right? You don't have time to do it. But at least use it practically. No matter what, even if we note it down, we will not remember it if we don't use it practically. So use it practically. Even if you note it down, maybe after writing it, you will not even open that notebook again. So there is no benefit of it. So use it practically. Use it practically. That's the very effective way to remember a new vocabulary. So yes, know the meaning of it from Google and use it practically. See, if we learn and know the meaning of 10 vocabulary every single day, then it will be 300 vocabulary in a month. And I think it's too much to learn in a single month. So see, with just a little bit of effort, what we can do, we just don't need to be lazy. We just don't need to be lazy. We need to be enthusiastic. We need to be passionate to learn the language. So surround yourself with English content in YouTube, in Facebook, everywhere. Surround yourself with English content, then you will get many new vocabularies every day. And yes, consciously or unconsciously, if we surround ourselves in English content, then we will learn many new words and sentences like that. So yes, that's the benefit of surrounding ourselves in English content. So surround yourself in English content, and even better if you surround yourself in real life. But I know most of you don't live in village or came from village, so you don't have that environment to speak, right? You don't have any friends to speak with. But hey, at least surround yourself with English content and yes, keep practicing. That's what I also do. I surround myself with English content, and yes, I also don't have friends to speak with. I also do live in village, but it's okay though. It's 2025, guys. We got multiple online applications. We got multiple online platforms where we can connect to another learner and speak. So that's what I also do. That's how I also improve my fluency. And yes, I've been doing it since the last 1 year. And yes, I have seen a lot of improvements in myself. So surround yourself with English content and yes, do practice every day. And one thing I do know, you will feel reluctant while you are watching video to entertain yourself. You will feel reluctant to pick a word and to Google it in the middle of uh, entertainment, right? But hey, it's the way of learning. It's the way of learning. If we want to learn something, then we must do it. It doesn't matter how we feel. Then only we will be able to keep ourselves above than anyone else. Then only you will be able to keep yourself above than anyone else. So it doesn't matter how you feel. You have to do it because you want to learn it, and it's just for yourself, guys. That knowledge is for yourself. That English is for yourself, right? And we all know how important it is to learn English in today's world. I don't think English is such a language. It's a great confidence booster, and also it's a language that gives more opportunities to ourselves. So it should not matter how you're feeling. Be enthusiastic, be passionate, then only you will be able to achieve it quicker than anyone else. So alright guys, I think I have covered everything I wanted to. I hope you learned something new from this video. If you did, click the like button and subscribe for more informative videos like this. Bye bye.